The average knowledge worker gets 11 minutes of uninterrupted focus before being distracted. Deep work, the ability to concentrate for hours on demanding tasks, is becoming the most valuable skill in the economy. Here's the practical system to build it, not the theory you already know. UC Irvine research found that the average worker is interrupted every 11 minutes, and it takes 25 minutes to regain full focus after each interruption. That means most people never reach deep focus during their entire workday. The math is brutal. 8 hours at the office, 0 hours of deep work. This system changes that. Deep work starts before you sit down. Phone goes in another room. Not on silent, not face down, in another room. Close every browser tab except the one you need. Turn off all notifications on your computer. Put on headphones even if you're not playing music. There's a social signal that says do not disturb. 5 minutes of setup buys you hours of focus. The night before, decide exactly what you'll work on during tomorrow's deep work session. Write it down in one sentence. Write the introduction and first 2 sections of the proposal. This eliminates the decision of what to do when you sit down. Decision fatigue kills focus sessions before they start. Your morning brain should execute, not plan. Start with 90-minute blocks, not 4 hours. Your brain works in ultradian cycles of roughly 90 minutes. Set a timer, work on one task, stop when it rings. Take a 15-minute break, walk, stretch, stare out a window. Do not check your phone during the break. After the break, start another 90-minute block. 2 blocks equals 3 hours of deep work, more than most people get in a week. The hardest part isn't maintaining focus, it's starting. The first 10 minutes feel painful because your brain is resisting the switch from shallow to deep processing. This is normal and it passes. Tell yourself, just do 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the resistance fades and focus takes over. If it doesn't, your environment setup is wrong. Fix the environment, not your willpower. Track your deep work hours on a simple tally. Mark each 90-minute block completed on a calendar or a sticky note on your monitor. Your goal in week 1 is 2 blocks. Week 2, 3 blocks. Week 4, 4 blocks, which is 6 hours of deep work. That puts you in the top 1% of knowledge workers. The compound effect of consistent deep work is career-changing. Phone out, tabs closed, 90-minute blocks, track on a tally. That's the system. No app subscription required. I linked a free deep work tracking sheet in the description. Subscribe for systems that build real cognitive skills, not productivity theater.